What is up everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be making an unboxing video, as the title says, of the Lenovo Legion 5, which is the 2021 model, not the 2020 model. And as you can see from the box, it is like a very slim box instead of a very thick box of the 2020 version. And they included, I believe, 2 years of warranty. And this is the model of RTX 3060 and Ryzen 5800. It has 512 gigs of SSD and 16 gigs of RAM. It is 165 hertz screen with 300 nits IPS, LCD IP, no, sorry, LED IPS, and it has, I believe, RTX 3060, and the TGP value is, I believe, 130 watts. So that's basically the max P version. And so far, everybody liked this laptop, and because Lenovo basically gives the best value for the budget. If you guys planning to buy maybe RTX 3070 graphics card, well, it's up to you. Just make sure to like research if it has 140 watts or not, because for 140 watts, basically the max out version of the RTX 3070 for the upgraded model of this laptop, which is, I believe, Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. This is the 21 version, but this is non-pro edition. And I believe they included stickers, which is like in the previous model they didn't include stickers, so that's an upgrade. And yeah, they also changed the protection case of the box. When they give you the protection case of the older model, it looks like a chest. Like when you open the lid, you are basically opening the lid and the laptop is inside. This time they put like a two separated protection. Yeah, as you can see, they in this part, yeah, they put extra two uh, what was the material? I can't remember the material name. And yeah, they basically changed the protection case, protection uh, uh, material exactly. And yeah, that is the sticker. And there's also extra sticker in the box. So this is basically a pre-recorded video. I'm just uh, like talking right now, like this video has already happened. I'm just adding my voice to this video because at the time I was recording, I couldn't make the voiceover because like I don't have this mic which I have right now, and the phone audio probably not good enough. So yeah, you're basically listening like after recorded voice. And yeah, so this is the charging cable, charging port. I believe the charging adapter 3000 instead of 330 watts. This time they included a really big chunky boy, 300 it is, and 300 watts, which is like very kind of heavy a little bit, yeah. It maybe fits like harder to the backpack that you guys have, maybe, I don't know. But for me, it fits like normally because I have a really huge backpack instead of a very tiny ones, like the 15.6 inch model backpacks. I currently have something like a camping backpack, which is very good for everything. Anyway, that is the charging cable, plug cable, and that's the charging adapter. And I believe the laptop weight is currently 3 kilogram and like 20 something. I'm not pretty sure. I just you can maybe check from the website. I bought this from the Poland Xkom market, which is the like local Poland market. You are like basically pre-ordering from the website, or you can basically just not pre-order, just basically buy from website, and you need to either like give you your address, so they will bring you by shipment, or you're basically selecting a pickup point from the Xcom, and they are like giving you 2 days, and after then you when you want to buy the laptop, they give you, I believe, 5 days to like maximize the duration. If you like miss the 5 days time, they will send the box everything back. However, oh yeah, I blurred this part because like some battery details, maybe I don't know, it might be important to keep out. And yes, and that is the charging cable, yeah. The 2020 model, like kind of lighter than this one. This is actually a little bit heavier than 2020 model. 2021 model is, yeah, a little bit heavy. And yeah, I'm holding the laptop. Yeah, that's what I was talking about in the previous, speaking about the case protection. They changed it from the previous model. And yes, yeah, I opened. This is the cold front 2.0 option, like not the 3.0 cold front. This is like what the Lenovo offers as the cooling system. If you bought the Pro edition, I believe it has 3.0, which is like a different cooling like bottom, and this bottom case is basically 2.0, same as the 2020 model. And but they actually changed the vents a little bit when I check it, because I already have the previous model before, and then I upgraded to this model, which is the newer one with RTX 3060 to Ryzen 7 500 5800. And yeah, in the IO, it has like 3.0 USB 4 slots. So basically, you can put your mouse, keyboard, headset to each 4 slots, and HDMI. And there is this two Type C, which is one for DisplayPort. The other one is like regular Type C. You can charge your laptop with the Type C. That's also possible. And there is one slot for camera, webcam. You can just disable, enable webcam just from that slot, because the previous model actually had the uh, like from bottom, sorry, from top camera. When you want to display, turn off your camera, there's a switch like top of the camera webcam, so you just disable, enable. Okay, this is the inside of the laptop. Yeah, they also changed the paper they give you in the previous one. It was like a black, I believe, like cotton cover, like, and this is basically paper. And yeah, it has numpad, like obviously most of the Legion 5, I believe Legion 7 also has, yeah. And I believe 740 didn't had the numpad, yeah. And yeah, you can see it has the RTX. It has also a max switch, which is a very good option for those if you want to play, don't want to buy a monitor, and you are just sticking with the laptop's monitor, which gives you the regular FPS which monitor is supposed to give. And you can also switch to the dedicated, no, this not discrete, the other one, the Ryzen screen. Basically, it has two panels, and when you select the Ryzen screen, you have more battery. And when you select the NVIDIA option, like the graphics card, you get the best performance out of the machine, like 130 watts of power. And yeah, this is the unboxing review of the device. Hopefully, you guys like it. And yeah, so I hopefully do a performance video maybe later. I will check your comments if you guys want it or not, because there is literally so many people like reviewed this laptop already. If you want me to like show you or not, I will just wait for your comments. Hit the like button as you wish, and please subscribe. It will hopefully support me with your like support with subscribe basically. That's how YouTube works. That is not like my regulation. I don't want to force you to subscribe. If you want to subscribe. Sorry, my my English is not good enough. And yeah, or you don't want to, like, it's up to you. But if you want to make me happy, like, you can subscribe. Thank you so much, and have a nice day. See you.